And now for our two balloon cat, we have two 260s. I have a white one which I have inflated, leaving about a 4 to 4.5 inch tail. This happens to be a Tex fashion fuchsia. You can use whatever you like. Also with about a 4 to 4.5 inch tail. And we'll start by tying the ends of these two together. The nozzle ends, of course. Nice little square knot. And then we want to trim the excess off of both of these. We'll start with our white, make about a 1.5 inch bubble, followed by another 1.5 inch bubble. Twist those two together. And then we'll go to our pink, another 1.5 inch bubble, and then we're going to roll this through the two whites, make a little 3 bubble row through. Now we're going to take our white, bring it across the bottom so it wraps up into the end here, and then twist the two loose ends together. And you want this just to kind of follow that contour. That's going to be the bottom of our cat's jaw. Now continuing with our white, make a little small, maybe a 1/2 inch bubble so that it's just starting to get round. Another one the same size. These will be our eyes here. Now you want to take those two, twist them together, and then again twist the white and the pink around each other to make sure that they stay secured. Now we're going to take our white, cut the excess off, make sure to save what's left of your white because we will need that. Set it aside, and then secure this, wrap it around 3 or 4 times, and then tuck the end up inside out of the way there. Now, make about a 3.5 to 4 inch bubble here. Now we're going to make the bear head, 1.5 inch bubble, 1/2 inch bubble, ear twist, 1 to 1.5 inch bubble, 1/2 inch bubble. Again, make that an ear twist. And then another bubble the same size as that one. Twist that all together. And now we're going to take this long one and push it backwards through this head so the ears don't get pulled through until the eyes and snout pull up against it. So there's your cat's face. Now we're going to make about a 3/4 inch bubble for our neck. A little 1/2 inch bubble here, which we'll make into an ear twist. Now about a 3 inch bubble, 2.5 to 3 inch bubble for our body. Another 1/2 inch bubble for an ear twist. Then you're going to come back up along this, matching bubble the same size as that one. Twist it into that front ear twist. And then come back over the back. One more time, another matching bubble. Twist it into the back ear twist. And then we're going to remove this excess. Wrap it 3 or 4 times around. Tuck it up inside there really good. There's the beginning of our cat's body. Now we'll take our white that we had left over from before. Take the knot in. Twist it around this front ear twist 2 or 3 times to secure it. Make about an 1.5 inch bubble for a front leg. Another 1.5 inch bubble for the other front leg. Twist that around that front ear twist really good so that you're up like that. Now soften this a little bit so that it's not, I like to make it slightly smaller than the others. It'll sit up in there. Stretch it along till you get to that back ear twist. Twist it around the back ear twist a time or 2. And then make 2 more back legs the same size as our front legs. Twist that into this back ear twist. Bring it out the back for this tail. Shape the tail however you like. We have our cute little 2 balloon cat.